At least 6 people have been shot and injured in a clash between two factions of PNP in Chottogram's Raujan. The injured were reported to be pedestrians. At around 11:30 p.m., two sides of PNP clashed with Chia Shoinik slogan. The incident took place in front of the Said Shah Biddut office. At least 10 motorcycles were vandalized. Later, police and army personnel brought the situation under control. Before this, two other parties of PNP clashed over dominance in near Mishapara area of the Nuapara union of the Raujan Upazila around 10 p.m. According to eyewitness, there has been a dispute between the supporters of the Khandokar Ghulam Akbar and Giyasuddin Kader Chaudhuri over the supremacy in Raujan. The injured were rescued and sent to Chattogram Medical College Hospital.
নগদের সর্বোচ্চ বার 167 টাকা রিচার্জে পাবেন 1 লাখ টাকা পুরস্কার। আরও আছে প্রতি সপ্তাহে পুরস্কার ও ক্যাশব্যাক।